Hey guys, G5 LED smart farm arrived today, so we'll be doing the unboxing to see what came. Came for 5 days from China, and then it took another 11 or 12 days once in Europe to get them processed. 5 days sitting in Slovenia for nothing, and then 5 days sitting in Croatia for nothing, which I'm really disappointed by the FedEx branches or sister companies or associates. But anyway, the lights are here, and we'll install them on the tank. This is the tank right here. It's 9 days today. Live rock, live sand, some real sea, about 100 and 200 liters. The rest was made, added bacteria and everything. No ammonia spike, no nothing. Everything looks good. So here are the lights. G5, Aqua Star, coral reef, marine fish. User manual. We'll get a bit closer. I'm not a professional, so please bear with me. Remote. Somebody mentioned no batteries, but we have some batteries. Not sure if we need them. I've got some batteries since I use them all the time for something here and there, even for my other light. Really weird, funky. But anyway, here it is. The right cable for Europe, since I'm in Croatia, so that's the one I need. And the length, 1.5 meter, about, roughly. Some hardware, bolts. I guess this is a part of the bracket. This is an updated bracket, as far as I can see. The other ones didn't have one like that. So that could be our first problem, this bracket. I was not expecting this. We're gonna have to see what we're gonna do with the bracket. Because this will be a problem for us. This will be a problem for us. No, actually, I take that back. It will be just the perfect size to put this behind the wall, behind the space. It will be just the perfect size. Yep. Well, at least That's alright. This is the upper piece, and this screws in. Hey, wife.
Hey, actually it will be 1 minute, but you're gonna post all the video you post on
1 minute.
WhatsApp.
1 minute is not long enough. I'm already at 5 minutes, and I did not even start.
This is the light.
Yeah. So as you can see, we can adjust the height here. We'll go for the maximum height to start with, then we can trim that easy. We'll see later. For right now, I just want to see how to set up the first one, then we can, the other ones are slave mode, so we just need to set up one and the other ones will follow. Really weird and clunky system, so I don't think I like it a lot, but it is what it is. The other part, you can see the shape. I guess that's it. All the way in, all the way out. For my tank, it will be a little bit out and it should be fine. I'll show you guys that later. So, as the bracket, the power supply seems a bit light. 24 volts, 4 amps. So if you want to calculate the wattage, you multiply the amps with the volts and you get the power, the wattage that this light or this power supply can provide. So pretty straightforward on that part. We'll go ahead and plug it in and plug in the light and see what it says. Okay, so the lens has a diffuser to blend in the light, to remove the disco effect, if you know what I mean. So I'm really curious to see what it looks like on the tank. That will take some time to set up all 4 lights. Make sure it's fine. The tank is 145 gallon. It says the screws are in the bag, which they are. Light is pretty good quality, so now it's time to plug it in. Normal jack, male, female, and the light is on. Cycling. instant. Wow, this does seem really bright. You guys can't really experience it, but for 95-watt LED, this is really bright. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the lights on the tank. Once I set up the lights, we'll continue with the video.